So the first thing we gotta do is find a model and just click the link. It's gonna be somewhere up around here, I don't know. And it's gonna tell you how to find a model. So cool, we found a model. Now, we're trying to do a cool shoot, so we gotta think of a theme. So maybe go on Instagram or Pinterest and just type stuff up. Maybe outdoor shoot, studio shoot, color shoot. Just put in all kinds of words and you'll see all kinds of cool things, and then find something you like, and there you go, there's the thing. So now we're on to the next part. Location, we have the model, we have the theme, but where does it all come into play? So if you want to do an outdoorsy shoot, maybe you go to your local park, maybe you find like some kind of waterfall, maybe you find some kind of cave, I don't know, whatever floats your boat, whatever fits with the theme and the look of the model. So after we get those, we're not ready to shoot quite yet. We need to do a mood board, and the mood board is gonna help you as the photographer and the model or whoever else you're working with. You have a makeup artist, maybe you have a stylist, everybody needs to be on the same page. So they need to see what you're going for. So in the mood board, you're just gonna have a bunch of pictures, or you can, and like with the pictures, it doesn't have to be just people posing at that kind of location. They could be posing wherever. Additionally, you could put colors in there to portray mood, maybe red for anger, right? You can even put food on there. There's all kinds of things. So you get your model, you get your theme, you get your location, you get your mood board, and now you're ready to shoot. And if you take all of these things together, your next shoot will probably be better than your last shoot.